everyone, I'm 7 of 9, or rather, just 7. Today I want to talk about nanotechnology and why the Borg are something of science fiction, but not necessarily science fact. In Star Trek The Next Generation, the crew of the Enterprise is cast into uncharted territory by Q, where they encounter the Borg, a hyper-advanced cyborg hive mind controlled by a queen who live far off in the Delta Quadrant. Fortunately, Captain Picard is a lot better than me, because if I met the Borg Queen, I would not be saying something like, "The line is drawn here and no further." I would be saying, "Assimilate me, mommy." Anyways, we're here to talk about the physics of nanotech, and not how we all envy Data in First Contact. So why aren't the Borg a threat to us here on Earth? It has to do with the scale of nanotechnology itself. 1 nanometer is 1/1000th of 1 meter, and it's even smaller than a single virus. So try to imagine building a machine that is only 1 nanometer across. That's only tens to hundreds of atoms. There are so few atoms in a nanomachine that the physics get pretty weird. Imagine a school of fish. All the fish want to be inside fish, and none of them want to be outside fish because outside fish are usually eaten fish. Atoms are actually kind of the same way, in that all atoms want to be inside atoms and none of them want to be surface atoms. This makes nanomachines nearly impossible to work with because all the atoms are surface atoms and none of them are inside atoms. No matter how good your nano tools are, you're still going to be herding cats. This is a tough barrier for nanotech because you can't rewrite physics, you can only make your machines bigger. And if they're bigger, they're not really nanotech anymore. So my dreams of being assimilated, on hold for now. Well, that's all for today. Stay tuned for more Star Trek science and feel free to drop any questions in the comments. And if you're the Borg Queen, I'm free on Thursdays.